Pre-renovation Tour. Okay, Alex, let's go inside. What do you see? So this is our old van that we plan to renovate, but yeah, we added some new things already, no?
Or Teddy Tela can sleep here.
Yes, when Nana is not around, no?
Yes.
Okay, then yeah. But yeah, we plan to change the cover of the seats, but now it's still the old one. We plan to add curtains also. And some and change some.
You have to put it there to have where my bed is.
Oh yeah, we can put it there once the curtains is ready. Yeah, we just added the banner, but it's not yet settled. And this is the old curtain that we just changed recently to this one. But yeah, we still need to.
Its bed where you sleep.
Here, remember this one, the table, it's collapsible. You know, when you at night we turn it into bed. It's like a transformer.
We have our old kitchen also.
This is the kitchen. Okay, what do we see on the kitchen? What do we have on the kitchen?
Bananas.
You mean the food. But yeah, the kitchen here, we have this. So we have to clean a bit. But yeah, this is the stove where we cook. We also have this. What do we have here? This is the sink. Yeah, to wash the dishes.
Our hands.
And we also have fridge. You open the fridge, Alex. No, yeah. Currently we stock something. Yeah.
Yes,
And
and
some tomatoes and the other food for the coming
like
days.
juice or milk.
What else do we have on the fridge, Alex?
Yogurt. Chocolates, cheese.
Okay, yeah, and yeah, we got this van last year. It was previously owned by some Finnish guys. And yeah, this nice decor was here when we acquired it.
And
That's why we don't really...
look outside, you see, you can look.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, we plan to put a curtain also there, but yeah, it comes with built-in microwave also. The previous owner probably mounted it there. Don't press it, it will open it, the net out. Alright, yeah, but yeah, we still have a lot of renovations to do here. Okay, that's all for today. Alex, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye here on the camera. You don't want to say bye-bye yet? You have something to say more? Or are we done with the tour? Or do you want to show the toilet? No need to show the toilet. But yeah, this is the toilet that we have here.
Mr. Toilet.
Hello.
Mirror.
Yeah, we still have to clean it because we just put it out for the year. But yeah, it's almost ready soon.
Yes, but put the lamp on.
Alright, let's close it.